All right, early in the morning, maybe like 6 or 5 or something like that. I'm gonna head out to the men's meeting. Pretty crazy day lately because my son went into the Marines yesterday, and I haven't heard from him yet. And I'm sure he made it just fine. He called me about 36 minutes away from Paris Island, and but we still haven't got the phone call. I may call the recruiter today, but anyways, I'm gonna go into the men's meeting. Then we're gonna talk about a couple things. Definitely stay tuned. Hit that subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me turn this 360 out real quick. This thing is awesome, but it does take a lot of memory and it takes time to edit, obviously. Let me tell you something. Today, I got up around what? 5:30 to come to a men's meeting. I went to sleep around 1 o'clock in the morning. So when the alarm kind of like ran, I was like, I don't want to do this. I want to go back to sleep. And I'm so glad that I came to the men's meeting. You guys gonna hear me saying that a lot, but it's true. You know, every time I come, every time I hang around with men that have the same belief system, I get encouraged and it's just an amazing time. So I definitely advise you to find a group. Find a group of men that you could hang around with, that you could talk to, that you could have some biblical conversations with, and you could learn from, because I'm going to tell you, you will be blessed. But I stopped here real quick at a Kohl's parking lot. Here is my road guy. She's saying hi. She's sexy as always. And I'm just gonna tell you this real quick. One of the things that you're gonna hate more about vlogging or motor vlogging is gonna be the fact that you kind of have to work it. And I think there's a mistake that a lot of YouTubers have. They think that this is just something that you just come here, you record some videos, and that's about it, and you pull whatever. No, it takes time. It takes time for you to plan the content. It takes time for you to record the content. Obviously, it takes time for you to edit the content and all that stuff. It takes time. And you know what? One of the things that I kind of hate is that sometimes it steals your time from writing. Look at her back there. She's saying hi. So here's the deal. I'm going to advise you to do this, because if you don't do this, your writing time is going to be stolen from you. And my good buddy, Tactical Man, big shout out to him. He tells me this a couple times. He say, hey, look, when I go writing to enjoy myself. He has a beautiful 2022 Road Glide. You guys see him here in the channel, but he's going out to ride, to enjoy himself, to have a good time, to do all those things. The moment that you introduce a camera into the picture, it's just going to become something that it could be work. Now, let me be straight to you guys. I don't want to discourage you from doing motovlogs. If you want to record motovlogs, go ahead for it. I'm going to tell you right now, I love it. I think it's great to record that. I love going back into my rides and, you know, show some of the footage that, you know, or watching some of my own videos, right? I watch sometimes my videos because I thought were fun, right? I made it for me. I made them because I enjoy seeing some of those videos and recording some of those memories. So I love seeing things when I went someplace with Tactical Man, or I went someplace with Randy, or I did a ride by myself. You know, every now and then I think it's fun. It's just so great to be able to record that stuff and to be able to have it in a place such as YouTube that you could come back and access that. And don't get me wrong, there is great people here, right? There's people here that enjoy the videos. There's people here that you're going to build a community. There's people here that you're just going to have a great time. They're going to become family. I mean, me and Katico Man are good friends, and I met him primarily because I do YouTube videos. He was doing YouTube videos as well. But again, even though there is a lot of positivity and a lot of great things, keep in mind that you need your own writing time, your own time where you're going to enjoy yourself. You know, right now I'm going to take this street right here. I'm going to hit US1 and I'm going to go left. And I'm going to tell you, US1 is a great road, or at least this section right here. It's fun, you know. I'm going to be able to, you know, get some speed and listen to some music and all that. And really the camera sometimes gets in the way. So one thing that I do is that I know when to shut it down. You know, many times I go on rides and people tell me, hey, you're not going to record. And I'm like, no, because I want to enjoy this. I want to enjoy my ride. I want to enjoy what I do. I don't want this to become work. Okay, so I'm about to take off and go home. It's really early in the morning. It's like 7 something in the morning. I think I'm going to do some video recording today. I got some stuff that I got to work in my social business or my social media business and all that stuff. But again, appreciate you guys watching. You guys are great. Thank you so much. Continue to put those comments. Those comments motivate me to continue to create videos. But I appreciate you guys. I really, really do. You guys are great. Thank you so much for supporting here the JH6 Ride channel. I hope you guys having a great time, and I hope you're going out there riding your motorcycle and go to different adventures and, you know, all that stuff. And again, if you want to do motovlogs, obviously motovlogs are fun. I enjoy them very, very much. I love watching motovlog videos, but keep this in mind. If the camera gets in the way from you having a good time, just have a good time, you know. It's okay. People will be all right. So let me know what you think. Comments down below. And as always, God is in control.